Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your cursor disappeared from your desktop screen and your touchpad is not responding on HP SPECTRE X360 laptop. So first of all, I just want to mention that if this happened after you enabled the tablet mode of your laptop, then your device might could simply got stuck and haven't yet got out of the tablet mode. But in order to help it, we can go to Start menu, Settings, then go to System, select Display, and then here in the display orientation we want to select Landscape. And usually after a couple of seconds your touchpad will become functional again. But if it didn't happen, then go to Bluetooth and Devices, go to Touchpad and make sure the touchpad is turned on, or toggle it off and toggle it on again. If this didn't help you, then first of all try restarting your laptop. But if restarting your laptop doesn't help you with this issue, then we can go to the Start menu and then search for Device Manager. Once you find it, open it. Now here in Device Manager we want to expand the Human Interface Devices menu. And then we want to find the I2C HID device. Now usually the first one would be your touchpad. So let's open it by double tapping it. Go to Driver tab, select Disable Device, then Yes. And right now your touchpad should be disabled, so now let's click Enable. And now try using your touchpad once again. If this didn't help you, select Uninstall Device, Confirm, then close this window, go to Startup Options, Power, Restart, and wait until your device is restarted. After your device is restarted, your touchpad should start working again. And that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.